very careful. If you choose one of the niches that I'm about to show you, you might end up a YouTube millionaire with play buttons, money, and everything you ever wanted. I often get DMs asking me the best YouTube automation niche, or niches that are out there. And here's my answer. There is no best niche. However, I want to make a deal. If you end up starting one of these channels and you end up with a play button, please at least just send me a DM with the play button and say you made it. Thank you. Niche number 1 is the investing niche. Now this is a very broad niche. However, this channel, the Swedish investor, really turned this into a brand. Even though they don't upload that much, as of right now, they're still getting about 1 million views every 30 days. Now that will equate to about $10,000 up to $20,000, depending on where the audience is from. As you can see, they started with humble beginnings and they simply worked their way up to right now getting about 1 million views on the lower end to about 2 million views on the high end per month. They're also doing affiliate deals, so apart from the AdSense money, which will already be a lot, you can make even more by simply selling your digital products or any affiliate links in the description. This right here is one of their best ever videos with 2.7 million views, and it's about investing. That right there made a ton of money. And if we go to the video, it's actually produced in a very nice way with whiteboard animations. There are great software for that if you want to do it yourself, or you can simply hire someone that knows how these softwares work. This niche is a great option because a lot of people right now in the situation that we're in need money, and they're gonna look into how to do so on YouTube. Blinded by luxury cars. This is an interesting niche that I believe is on the come up. Now I've decided to show you a channel that is not getting crazy traffic yet, however, they're about to blow up very soon. Every single time a brand new car gets released that is in one of the top brands, this channel makes a video about it, meaning that every single time there's a new launch, this channel has another attempt of blowing up. Now all it takes is one video. This channel hasn't had that video yet. However, I'm sure that they're on the edge of getting it. In order to make a video like this, it's pretty easy. You can use the clips that the car brands put out there for your videos. The thumbnail is even easier because you can use a high quality picture from the car itself. This right there could be better, but even just with this thumbnail itself, it already worked out pretty well. What is even better is that you can build an active community. The car community is really active and really loyal. You can build a big channel and people will stick around for years because they are car fans. There are new cars being released every single day, and because of that, you always have content that is always going to be relevant to the audience. This channel is from a subscriber of mine. It's called Cash Pro. This is in the make money online niche, which is always a good option if you simply want to get that high CPM. Within this niche, you can expect to make about $10 per 1,000 views. Now what I would do myself, I wouldn't do it this exact way because there are a lot of channels already doing this. What I would do is change up the style as well as change up the thumbnails. So instead of doing the classic make money online stuff, try and turn it into like a meme, funny kind of video instead of just doing the clickbaity titles. The biggest problem in this niche is that people watch the videos, however, the methods that people show don't work, and because of that, they don't end up coming back. However, if you make this really unique and you put in some humor, chances are people will come back to your channel more often than the classic make money online channels. With about a $10 RPM, this channel could be making about $3,000 per month, which could be enough to replace a full-time income. The channel I'm about to show you now has 11 million views in the last 30 days, and it's in the tech niche. These videos are extremely satisfying, and a lot of people like watching them. If I simply filter this by most popular, you'll see that some videos end up with 19 million views, 10 million views, 8 million views in just 11 months. Why? The videos are interesting because there's a lot of stuff happening and anyone could watch it. This applies to a broad audience. It's not specifically designed to reach you or me that are interested in YouTube automation. No, anyone could technically open YouTube and be interested in inventions of the future or some camping stuff. And that makes it a really good niche. But is it really as good as the next one? I'm not sure. Cooper Academy currently getting about 300,000 views, which on itself is not crazy. However, you'll see that they had months where they had 3.8 million views. Now you might be confused. Youri, this channel is going down a lot. Why is that, and why do you still recommend it? Here's the reason why. In my opinion, this channel started diversifying too much in terms of the topics and the videos that were being made. Now, as you can see, this is about investing. However, as you can see, they don't specifically keep it to one format or a sub-niche. But with over 52 million views, this type of channel could not be excluded from from this list. But if you want to do that the better way, start this channel. It's called Altcoin Daily, currently getting about 2.6 million views in the cryptocurrency niche. That right there is equating to at least $20,000 in AdSense revenue, where on its peak they even had months with 7 million views. Now because crypto is down as of right now, the views have plummeted quite a bit. However, here's why this is going to be good for you. As soon as crypto goes up again, which I'm sure it will at some point, channels like this will start exploding. The market is changing all the time, and because of that, relevant videos will be very easy for you to make every single day consistently. This will result in an active community that likes watching your videos and comes back every single day. Motivation Hub with 2.8 million subscribers is one of the best channels that I've seen. This is a proper company by now with over 6 million views in the last 30 days. On its peak, they were close to 10 million views in just one single month. This channel is using the authority hacking method, which is using famous people's names to get attention from their audience. If you make a video about Mr. Beast, anyone that knows Mr. Beast is now interested in watching your video, as long as that has a good title and thumbnail. Whereas if you make a video about yourself and you're not well known, potentially no one's gonna care. So use authority hacking to grow a channel like this. This channel is called Savantum. Now this channel I really like because they're doing business essay type of videos. This video is called How to Create a Company, Elon Musk's 5 Rules. Now this once again is authority hacking because they're using the name from Elon to get his audience to watch this video, which resulted in over 3 million views. This video is put together very well, and because of that it ended up getting great momentum. They're making biography videos about famous entrepreneurs, which will end up in a very high CPM as well. You could choose to do this with people like Ariana Grande, Cristiano Ronaldo. However, the CPM on those videos will be lower than people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and the list goes on and on. So that's a very smart move to make, which leads us to an Elon Musk channel. Elon Musk is the richest person on earth, and because of that, he has a lot of followers. Now, because of that, you can get a lot of views on videos about Elon Musk. This channel right there knows how that works, and because of that, they have videos with 5.9 million views in just a couple of months, 2.8 million views, 800,000, 600,000, 600,000. This channel knew exactly what they were doing, and because of that, they have 200,000 subscribers and made a lot of money doing so. Now, if you like watching animation videos, this could be a channel for you. It's called Betterment Boss, and they're doing Make Money Online videos with animation, which makes it much more interesting, and they're covering general finance rather than some sketchy way to make money. You can use a software called Vyond to make videos like this. It's actually pretty easy to use and delivers good quality videos. You can even make travel animation videos, which leads us to the next channel, the Luxury Travel Expert. Now this right there is actually filmed by a person. However, you can do this a faceless and the YouTube automation way too by using a software called Storyblocks. You will find footage on pretty much anything and anywhere, and because of that, you can still put together videos like this, just in a slightly different way. However, you can create a channel that's about travel and about the luxury travel life so that you attract a high type of audience that gets you a high CPM. This channel had 2.4 million views in the last 30 days, which blows my mind. All of these channels are great, but the highest CPM ones are in this video right there. Click to find out.